Hey everyone, I'm Anna, born and raised in New York. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for a way to have a stable and independent financial life. Trust me, I've tried everything, from side hustles online to jumping on the latest hot coins. But honestly, it didn't work out the way I hoped. My Bitcoin investments tanked, and those NFT projects I got into, they completely vanished. I felt like I was stuck in a never-ending maze searching for a way out. Then I discovered staking, and it completely changed the game for me. Today, I want to share with you how staking helped me create a steady income stream without having to watch the markets 24/7. If you've been struggling like I did, this video is for you. Ever heard of staking as a way to make money? Let me break it down for you. Staking is like putting your money to work for you, kind of like putting cash into a savings account, but way cooler. Instead of just sitting there, your crypto is locked up in a digital wallet to help keep the blockchain network running smoothly and secure. Think of it like being part of a giant security system for the blockchain. While your crypto is doing its job behind the scenes, you're earning passive income without the constant stress of market watching. What makes staking even better? The risk is generally lower compared to other methods like day trading or NFTs, so it's a more stable way to build up your earnings. When you jump into a proof of stake network, you're basically earning steady, predictable rewards for helping keep the system running. That's what makes staking such an awesome option for passive income, especially if you're looking for something more stable. It's not like day trading where you're constantly stressed about market swings. You're in it for the long haul, letting your crypto work for you while you earn rewards regularly. Sure, some blockchains might ask for a bigger upfront investment, and yes, a few platforms lock up your funds for a bit. But think about it this way. Once you've made that commitment, you've taken the first step toward financial growth. Instead of worrying about liquidity, realize that during that locked period, your money is hard at work for you, earning consistent rewards. It's like planting seeds and letting them grow. And while the performance of the network and token prices can fluctuate, staking still offers a level of predictability and stability that's hard to find elsewhere in the crypto world. You're not jumping into risky trades or timing the market. You're investing in something steady, and that's a huge win if you're looking to build passive income without constant stress. So don't let the fear of commitment hold you back. Staking is your opportunity to let your assets grow quietly in the background while you focus on what matters most to you. And here's the way I earned $45,000 from staking. Step 1. Pick a good crypto for staking. I chose Ethereum 2.0, ETH, because it's reliable and offers good staking rewards. You basically put your money in, and it starts working for you, like a savings account that earns interest. Step 2. Set up a wallet. I set up a safe wallet. I used MetaMask to store my Ethereum. Then, I bought $50,000 worth of ETH and transferred it into that wallet. Step 3. Join a staking pool instead of doing all the technical stuff myself. I joined a staking pool, which is like teaming up with other people to earn rewards together. I found a pool with low fees and good returns. Step 4. Start earning. Once my Ethereum was in the pool, I started earning rewards right away, about $2,500 a month. I just let my money sit there and watched it grow. Step 5. Claim rewards. I checked in every month or so to claim my rewards. By the end of 6 months, I had earned $15,000. To reach $45,000, I reinvested some of my rewards back into staking to compound my earnings. Why it works? Easy and hands-off. Once you set it up, your money grows without you needing to do much. Low risk. It's not like trading. You're not gambling on price changes, just earning steady rewards. That's how I turned $50,000 into $45,000 in profit through staking. It's a great way to build passive income without constantly watching the market. From my personal experience with staking, I quickly realized that several factors directly impact how much profit you can actually make. Here's what I've learned. The more people who join the staking pool, the more diluted the rewards become. Early on, when I joined a smaller pool, my rewards were higher. But as more participants came in, my share of the pie got smaller. While the total rewards stay the same, dividing them among more people can reduce individual profits. In my case, I noticed that staking for a longer period usually offers higher returns. But here's the catch. The longer your funds are locked, the less flexibility you have. I had times when I needed liquidity but couldn't access my funds because they were locked up for staking. So I had to decide whether locking my crypto for better returns was worth losing access to it for a while. One of the biggest lessons I learned is that the market price of the token you're staking can significantly affect your profits. Even if you're earning rewards, if the token's price drops, your overall earnings and dollar value go down too. For example, if you're staking Ethereum and it drops 20% during your staking period, the value of your rewards decreases no matter how much ETH you're earning. Fees can be a quiet profit killer. Whether it's fees from the staking platform or fees from the staking pool, they cut into your net earnings. I had to be mindful of these and factor them into my calculations before staking. Sometimes, a platform with a lower APY but lower fees turned out to be more profitable than one with a high APY but higher fees. The longer your staking period, the better the rewards, but it also means your liquidity is limited. I had to plan carefully and only stake what I could afford to leave untouched for a while. While it's great to earn higher rewards, there were moments when I wished I had quicker access to my funds. Staking is a powerful way to earn passive income, but it's important to understand the trade-offs. More people staking can reduce your individual rewards, and market volatility can impact the actual value of your returns. Fees and lockup periods also play a role in how much profit you'll see. If you're mindful of these factors, you can maximize your earnings while still keeping some flexibility. Honestly, staking is still a solid and profitable investment option in 2024. The way it works is, you lock up your crypto to help keep the blockchain network running smoothly, and in return, you get passive income. Plus, depending on the project, you might even get some say in how things are run by getting voting rights. And staking usually comes with less price volatility compared to regular trading. But here's the thing, you gotta be aware of the risks. There's the lockup period where your funds are stuck and can't be accessed for a while. Then there's slashing, where you can lose some of your staked funds if the network detects bad behavior. Smart contract vulnerabilities are another thing to watch out for, along with network security issues like hacks. So, while staking can be great for building up passive income, always stay cautious and pick your staking platforms wisely. So, there you have it. Staking is a powerful tool that can not only help you earn passive income, but also get you closer to that ultimate goal of financial freedom. Imagine having your money working for you 24/7 while you focus on building a life that's truly fulfilling. Whether it's about supporting your family, traveling the world, or simply living life on your own terms, staking can be a step in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the tips and strategies I'll be sharing in future videos. Let's build a financially free life together, one smart move at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.